Alright guys, we're at my grandparents' house again, and we're gonna try to get some bass out of those ponds, so we'll see what happens. I just have the Senko and the lipless crankbait, and we're gonna go slam them out at the pond. I'm only going for a couple of hours, like 2 or 3, but that's our goal for today. Just gonna go out and slay some bass. I'll get back to you once we are at the pond. Bro, that happened so fast. Got a good sized bass right there. Caught it right. I was targeting another bass, threw it behind that bass, and then this bass hit it as hard as it could. Saw another one right here up beside the bed. But it looked like they were spawning, honestly. Healthy fish though. 2 pounds. Good 2-pounder. Dude, I saw that fish just hovering right there. Cast over behind it, trying to draw it through there. That fish went to it, but another fish hit it before that fish could. He ripped up my Senko though. I'm gonna leave it like it is. It's a little bit shorter though. We'll see. He was right there. Man, there's a little, looks like a little bed right over there. I'll show you in a second, but I'm gonna try to pull out that other fish. Let me see lures real quick. Pink Senko. The last one tore up my Senko, so I'm switching it out. Trying to find my shaker. Yeah, I'm rolling with the shaky head for right now. Shaky head. Back to you whenever I see a fish, catch a fish, or lose a fish. We should be able to get a fish, not lose. Golden lipless crankbait. Senko on a shaky head. We'll get gotten 2 bites since I've moved over here. Just pulled this little guy out. Had that little golden lipless crankbait. Is there a guy pumping BB guns? Bro, I think I'm getting shot at. Putting this up. It's good. Less than a pound though. Healthy fish. Fight pretty good. Yeah, I literally think there's a guy shooting BB guns at it. There's people over there. I don't know. I'm gonna get back to fishing. Hopefully catch a few more. There's a storm rolling in over there. So I don't know how much time I have. Just gonna catch some fish. We'll see. So guys, we're not catching much. I caught 2 bass, good size. But right here I was expecting to catch something. But I haven't even had a bite. So it might be the end of the day. Hopefully not the end of the video though. But I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get one on film real fast. And I think I'm gonna head in because the wind's starting to pick up and I think it's about to start raining. We'll see. Hopefully you can hear me. It's pretty windy. Move down. I left my stuff over there because I'm not really wanting to carry it around.